So Windows 11 is expected to release on June the 24th at 11 a.m. And this is what TechRadar and other sources are saying. And this is when I guess they're going to have a keynote and they're going to tell all the different features and all the cool updates and whatnot that Windows 11 is going to have to offer. But I mean, why would you wait if there's a Windows 11 leak out there, you may ask? So we're not going to wait. And I was able to get my hands on the leak, and I'm going to check out Windows 11 right now. So I'm going to unlock the screen. I'm going to put in my PIN. It's going to unlock, and here we are. This is the Windows 11 home screen, or desktop, if you will. This is what's going to show. Now I am running this on a VM, so it's a virtual machine through VirtualBox. I have another video where I kind of go through step by step as how to set up VirtualBox. It's super simple, super easy. You can check that video out right there. There's a card for it. So here's Windows 11. It looks pretty cool right off the bat, I gotta say. So the taskbar is at the bottom here. It's kind of in the center here. On Windows 10 it would be on the left. The whole overall interface looks pretty clean, pretty nice. So here we have the File Explorer. Oh cool, the icons look pretty neat too. So you'll notice the folders have these little arrows that or symbols that correspond what type of folder it is. So you have the video playback, the triangle on the videos, and then the music, note the music, and download arrow and so forth. Documents has little lines like as if it was a paper. Pictures has a little photo. So they implemented the symbols within the icons. I think it's pretty cool. Here, yeah, everything else is very similar to Windows 10, and it's kind of more has rounded edges. And let's see if oh yeah, so the window just kind of, I guess, disappears when you minimize it. I mean, I'm sure there's settings you can set for that. Here's the widgets. Now the widgets, I notice I can't see them here. I mean, they're there, but they won't like, I don't know what I'm clicking, or half the time I'm not going to know. And this is some news or whatever. And what do we have? Yeah, so that was the widgets there. So let's see if we can find anything else. There we are. I guess that's a stock widget. Cool. So, and then here we have our search. And here we have the windows. So this will pop up, and I guess all of these are like the preloaded icons. I'm not sure if they would all be installed. They look like they are. Well, obviously Photoshop Elements and Netflix and these things are premium services. And then here's your power, your shutdown and restart. So overall, very, very clean look. And here's if you want to have multiple desktops. So I guess if you want to add more desktops, you can have, let's say I have this desktop and I open videos here. I go back here, oh sorry, I go here, I can have desktop 1 where I had File Explorer open, and so forth. I keep hitting the widgets button. Okay, and of course you can remove the button if you want. So if I right click here, unpin from taskbar, I can get rid of that. If I right click on the taskbar, you'll notice that it just has the taskbar settings. That's like the only option you have here, and you can show widgets and turn things on and off. My personal favorite here would be the themes. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, Windows Dark. Oh wow, that's cool. This is totally cool. It's kind of like the Mac OS, sort of, but wow, that's neat. Now I wonder if Internet Explorer. Okay, yeah, I know Windows 10 I had the dark theme on Explorer too. So what if let's download Google Chrome. Okay, and download Chrome. Okay, that's gonna download, open file. And I actually had this downloaded earlier to Google Chrome. Didn't set it up, so let's set this up. Close this right here. Not sure if I hit that twice. Oh, or 3 times. My bad, so I was click happy there for a second. and Chrome is installing. I know on Windows 10, I think it was Chrome that I was unable, actually no, that was in the Mac, different story, never mind. I was gonna say I wasn't able to get the dark theme on Chrome, but on Windows 11, that's pretty cool, I gotta say. Chrome is also all like black, it's all dark. And same with here, if we go to the Google homepage here, let's see. And no, I guess so there's settings here for this, if you wanted to have like a black theme going on there. Anywho, so that's that. In terms of settings, okay, we have more themes. You have a theme called Glow, which has 4 images. I'm sure you can add or edit your images. That's pretty neat too. Look at that. Again, dark theme, and you kind of have a hint of the purple in the icons up here, the tabs. And then we have captured motion. Let's see what this is all about. So you'll see like different accents. So the theme implements the red color here. You'll see all little icons here red, and the writing to the right here is red. That's a very cool background, by the way. That's cool. And then if we go here, this PC, okay, so that's okay, that's cool. And then we have sunrise, and this I guess is a light theme similar to the default Windows light. Yeah, that's light, but I mean the dark themes just look so cool. Oh, let's see if okay, that's cool, kind of like Windows 10. Yeah, so you can have 2 screens open. Let's close this here, let's go back, and the last theme here was flow. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so it seems like a light theme, but kind of a hint of this teal bluish gray color. That's neat. Okay, and one of my personal preferences, if we go to themes here, you'll notice that I'm showing this icon on the desktop, this PC. I actually really can't live without that icon on the desktop. I find it super useful. So you can also show users, files, network, control panel. Actually, you know what? Let's see if control panel, hit apply. Okay, cool. That's neat. In Windows 10, I know I had the control panel pinned to the taskbar here, which was super neat. Oh, I don't know if I can do that here. You don't know. That's gonna take some learning. That sucks. You can't unpin from task, pin to task. Oh, there we are, pin to taskbar. Okay, that was cool. And this one, no, I don't think you can. Oh. So what's the point in having them on the desktop when they're in the taskbar? And yeah, that's awesome. But of course, back to that dark theme. So I find the keyboard, yeah, keyboard's working fine. I mean, I am on a virtual machine. Keyboard and mouse are working absolutely fine, no issues there. And other than that, yeah, that dark theme really makes it look super classy and super clean. And everything else here is you know, the basics. So I have the virtual optical drive. I'm using 50 gigs, so it's a 29 gig Windows. I mean, it's not surprising. I mean, it's a whole Windows, right? And it's Windows, so they tend to be bigger files. In terms of, let's say, if I want to create a new folder and call it new. Okay, that's cool. So motion, say you want to minimize, so it just kind of drops down. You don't really see the animation, it just kind of falls down. And that's that, and there you have it. This is Windows 11 first impression. I think it looks very neat, it looks very clean. I know Microsoft is kind of, I guess widgets will be a big thing for them because it was in the taskbar there. I mean, it didn't really work for me as it should, but where are we? Okay, widgets right here. Let me give that a shot again. Nothing. Okay, and here you can, so here by default it's in the center, but you can move it to the left as well if you wanted that traditional Windows 10 feel. But because it's Windows 11, or it will be, I think in the center, it's pretty cool. Okay. yeah, this is not the final release, so of course it's going to have troubles downloading certain content and certain things. Well, there you have it, folks. This was Windows 11. This is pretty cool. I'm actually pretty excited for the actual release and see what type of updates they have. Did a lot of cool stuff with the rounded edges and the overall user interface. I think it looks pretty cool. The GUI is really cool on it. And that's it. That's all. I mean, there's not much more to it. I can't, we can't do too much until we get it physically installed on our computers, not just the VMware, to get the full experience. But there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for stopping by and watching this video. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, be well, be safe, and I'll catch you real soon in the next one. Tech out.